Hey everybody, Dr. Christine here with another delicious and simple and easy recipe that I have for you. Are you guys excited? And all you need are a few simple ingredients. A little pat of butter. Worcestershire sauce, once again, it's making a lot of appearances on my special cooking shows. And some of your favorite hot sauce. I got this one right here, and you can get whatever one you like. And then you're gonna need just a little bit of water, some healthy pastured eggs, like you see right here. I love these eggs very much. Always good to get the 18 count if you can, because you save even more money. And then obviously the 2 eggs. So what you're gonna do, and by the way, I give credit to this recipe from Alex Guarnaschelli. I was watching some of her Insta stories, and this is what she said, how to make the best scrambled eggs. You put a little bit of water, a little bit of hot sauce, a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. You throw that in there too. A little drizzle, and I already have my butter going, and then you're just going to put your 2 eggs in, and then you're going to season with salt and pepper. Here's my salt, my own special blend. Throw that right in there. And by the way, if you don't have a little bamboo salt holder, what you doing? Come on now, fancy it up. So then what you're gonna do is just give this a good stir. Scramble these up, and by the way, this is my spatula, courtesy of Go-To Kitchens. Well, her pops made these, but I bought a bunch. Always supporting the local friends. Well, local meaning somebody else that does videos. She lives in Texas. Anyway, as you can see, my eggs are coming along very nicely here. It depends on how well you like your eggs. I personally do not like my eggs super cooked. I like them more on the moist side. Hashtag moist. But anyway, this is all you need. You could add some other things in here if you want, but it really comes together so fast. And then all you need is to plate it up. Ooh yeah, that's about where I stop. I take it right off the burner right at that point, because that's just how I like them, just like that. Turn off my burner, and I'm gonna plate these up. Okay, I'm gonna plate these up. Oh man. Get all the crumbs. Don't squander any of these pastured eggs. These hens worked hard for us. And here you see these delicious eggs, super fluffy, straight out of Alex Guarnaschelli's Instagram account, I think. This was like when she was answering people's Ask Me Anythings on her Insta. So again, just a little splash of your favorite Tabasco sauce or hot sauce, Worcestershire sauce, little splash of water, a good pan. And by the way, this is an incredible pan, which I will be doing a review on, but I wanted to use it a lot to see how well it holds up. And then some good, happy, pastured eggs. Doesn't have to be Happy brand, but pastured eggs are not the same as cage-free, okay? Because eggs or chickens could be cage-free, but smashed in a warehouse. So when you see pastured, it means that the little hens are roaming free and eating the bugs and the insects and the dirt and all kinds of other things that they're meant to be eating. They're not meant to be in a cage. They're not meant to be smashed in there together. So support your local farmers and farmers that do a lot right with the pastured eggs, because you're gonna get beautiful orangey yolks, and never buy gas station eggs. At any rate, I hope you enjoy this delicious recipe, and I'll talk to you next time. Oh, good.